is that? That sound that you're making.
Oh, well, it's just a song that I remember from back home.
Where did you learn it from?
Azzy. Well, many of the older kids would sing it too, I suppose.
How strange. It feels so familiar to me.
Where would you have heard it?
I don't know that I have ever heard it. Feels a little sad, though. You miss the light world, don't you?
Yes. No. Both, I guess. I suppose enough to make us both sad about it.
I don't want you to stop singing, though. It's nice.
How about something a little funnier?
Is that about the Queen?
Could be.
Susie likes it too. Keep going.